What is going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a brand new video. Actually a really nice day today. As you can see behind me, we got some bad boy. It looks like a Cadillac, man. It looks like one of them American Cadillacs. You probably see Donald Trump cruising in one of these bad boys, but actually no, this is a Nissan Xtrail. This is what we are, JDM rocking today. That's the little problem with this car here. Got a quote for that, dropped to the Fiat 500 as well. So the Fiat 500 is getting done today. Well, it's been dropped to today, so potentially going to get done. You said pick it up Saturday, so that's about 3-4 days or some shit like that. So yeah, guys, not too much of a damage. I got the little trim for the bottom. He's quoted me £200 to get this whole thing painted, including the bumper. But have a look at her. She's looking all right. This is a Nissan Xtrail Aventura. It's one of them like really good ones. It's got keyless entry. It's got reverse camera, sat nav, a leather interior. It's got, what else does it have? Pan roof. Yeah, really good stuff. It's got a few little drive modes, so 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, or you can have it on auto or stuff like that. Let me just pop the bonnet and show you what inside looks like. And this is what the engine looks like. So we're definitely going to need to clean under this engine bay and make sure that she's looking right. The underneath of this car is not too bad, guys. So yeah, just thought I'll show you what the underneath of the bonnet looks like. I want to give this engine bay a decent little clean, so it's looking representable for someone who wants it cleaning up with some brushes and all that kind of stuff. So she's good to go. When someone comes and view this car, they can be happy with it. So yeah, right, people, so this car here actually cost me, I think at the time I bought this was around 2.5 grand, and I put some time and effort into this car. So I think right about now I've got new brakes for it and other few bits and pieces. So right about now it owes me about 2.8 for other little bits and pieces, including the paint. Let's just say I'm in there 3 grand. They are going for around 3.5 to 4.5 grand. So I want to get this car cleaned up and I want to get this car sorted because the mileage is pretty low. She's a really good runner. So headliner will need to be cleaned, as you can see, because someone left this badass pan roof. I mean, that's a feature and a half. I mean, that opens all the way to the back. She looks all right, man. Guys, I'm really gassed about this one. But yeah, so stay tuned. Little update on another little car that we got here. Let me go home, let me get this car cleaned up and get this car potentially listed. So yeah, thought I'd just chuck it in there, show you what else we got, and give you an update that the Fiat 500 is getting sorted today. So we need to pick it up potentially Friday or Saturday. Stay tuned, guys. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.